Hi everyone, so today I've just come to share with you another journal that I've made, and this one is it's a butterfly themed journal. I've used ARTYmaze's butterflies in blue, but I printed it in grayscale and it actually come out really lovely. I've also used some of my arty pages that I've been making up to throw into some journals. So the journal measures 8¼ by 4½. There's one signature and there's 44 pages front and back. And I've used this lovely black sparkly wallpaper, and as usual it's sewn onto some cardstock. The image that I've used here as well is from My Porch Prints, and I've just done a little topper for this one. We have eyelets and not organza ribbon, this is string as a closure. This will be listed for sale in my shop if you're interested, and I've just made a big knot. And there we go. Ugh. Oh dear. Oh, how have I done that? There we go. Ta-da! So, like I said, the inside is just coffee dyed cardstock. The papers, as you can see, are printed out in grayscale, and I thought it really did look nice. And it was actually pure accident why the first couple of sheets that I was printing, because I was doing something else before in grayscale because I didn't want to waste my ink because of the borders on it. It was just like personal paperwork and things like that, and I'd forgot to change it back. So after it printed out 2 or 3 sheets, I thought, oh, it looks quite nice, so I kept it as that. So here I've just made a pocket. I've just folded that over because I didn't actually use the traveler's notebook size, because this does come in 2 sizes, traveler's notebook and normal journal size. So it was the normal journal size that I printed out. So there is a mixture of like vintagey things just to break it up, otherwise I thought it would look too much if it was all in the one colour. So we've got just some coffee dyed paper in here, and again this is an envelope from Butterflies in Blue, but obviously it's not blue. This is from My Porch Prints. This was just it's actually from the kit, but this is its normal colour, and we have a journal card inside there. And again, that is from My Porch Prints. Here we just have a tag, again printed that out in grayscale, and here we just have some ephemera. I've got stuff on the back of there as well. That's from the old design shop. These have all been backed onto some cardstock. And here we just have again some ephemera, and I've done that in black and white, well, grayscale. And let's see if I can get that on without having to take the paper clip off. There we go. And we have a journal card there with the butterfly and some crocheted trim. These are the pages that I was talking about. If you watched my video the other day about doing backgrounds, right at the end of it I had used a Ziploc bag and put on some distress stains and sprayed water on them. So that's what I've done with these pages. They've been coffee dyed. I've put a couple of different colours of distress inks on there. I can't remember which ones. A little bit of black as well. I think it's black soot. So I added them, as you can see there. I kind of like it because it's well, it's just a little bit different to just having plain coffee dyed papers. This is from Tsunami Rose, and again I've made a pocket using one of the background pages from ARTYmaze in grayscale. Some cheesecloth, some vintage music paper, the word timeless. We have a tag here that I've stamped, and then 2 pieces from My Porch Prints. I've put some tabs on, and these are just from the wallpaper that I used to cover the cover with. Again, grayscale. Here we just have a pocket, 2 tags, some more of my paper, some stamping, Some more of ARTYmaze. Made another pocket. This is normally pink when I use it, and I've done that in grayscale as well, and I kind of like that. I've never thought of doing that before, like for the kits. It's just a nice different colour to have. Some more from the old design shop. Some more of my papers. Oops, squash that there. Little corner tuck here. Little cluster there with cardstock and trims and cheesecloth and a butterfly. And this is the old design shop. Here we just have another large tag from the kit. These are from my porch prints. I think I've done it like that. Some more of my papers, centre of signature. Here I've just made a tuck. We have an envelope in there with the doubled over paper in there to journal on. Another tag, another journal card from my porch prints. Some more of that distressing with the inks. It's not distressing, I don't even know what you'd call that. Splodging. I think it's splodging, that's what I'm going to call it. So that's what we have in that pocket. That's lovely. That's still my favourite page from that kit. And it's even nice when it's in grayscale. Another pocket with 2 tags. Whoops. Here we've got a belly band and some ephemera in grayscale. Another tag. Just got some vintage music paper here and a butterfly with some cheesecloth. Some more of my papers. Here we just have a journal card and some ephemera. And the last page. We've got another little corner tuck there. Some more from the old design shop. This is actually a freebie. Oh. Another tag. And a tag from the Butterflies in Blue kit. And 2 journal cards there. They're from my porch prints. And there we have it. So that is the journal. Like I said, this will be listed for sale if you're interested. If you have any questions, just ask. And thank you for watching. Bye.